Alright, here's the finished project. Took about 4 or 5 hours to do this large porch. We did the swing and everything. This was filled with algae, dog hair, dirt, and probably about everything else you could think of. Now everything's nice and clean, even the skylights. You can actually see out them, all the crevices, nice and clean. Nothing missed. We don't just do 50%, 75%. We do 100%. Let's go look downstairs, see what we did downstairs. Dog's already leaving footprints on it. But you can see now what it looks like down here. Gotta watch my head on these beams. Even the walls. No dirt, no grime. Our work ethic shines, okay? Call Great Dane Power Washing and Home Service and see what we can do for your home.